Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a few quick and inexpensive crafts that you can do with your children. A lot of these materials you may already have on hand, and then a few things I did pick up at the Dollar Tree. Now, with a lot of children staying home and not being able to go to school, I just wanted you to use this opportunity to decorate your little area, your little homeschool area for Valentine's Day. This will be a wonderful opportunity to also talk to your children about love and kindness and let them know how much you love them and things that they are grateful for, things that they love about themselves. So let's get started crafting and decorate our little areas for Valentine's Day and make it really fun for our kids. For the first project, all you're going to need is some construction paper, some glue, and either a paper trimmer and a pair of scissors. And all you're going to do is just cut each piece of paper in strips. Once the construction paper is cut out in whatever colors you choose, you're just going to want to glue the end of each strip and wrap it around and just make a quick chain. Okay, as you can tell here, I am no artist, but this was actually my favorite craft that we did. All I did was draw a tree and color it in, and then also drew out some branches. Now again, you can always cut out hearts, but I have a Cricut machine, so for this project I decided to use it to cut out a bunch of hearts in different sizes in pink and red. And then I just placed and glued the hearts where we wanted them, and I decided to add little heart flowers. You'll be able to see, just a little bit of advice is when you're using glue, don't use the liquid glue, because you can see right there, you can see right through it. I found that the stick glue was actually better. Now we are actually going to add pictures, but just for this video I'm just going to put our dog's picture on there. We're going to put everyone's picture and name of everyone who loves him for our Love Valentine's Day tree. Baking is another great activity to do with your little one. You can always review numbers when measuring ingredients, and this is one of his favorite things to do. If you're not much of a baker, something else you can do is just simply make pudding or jello and have them decorated with some sprinkles. Having a little picnic outside for lunch is also a really cute idea to do for Valentine's Day. My little boy loves to paint, so for this project, all I did was get a paper doily, put it on top of a plain white piece of paper, and just had him paint around it. You can also fold it in half to make a homemade Valentine's Day card. Since the paint is already out, this would also be a good time for them to do another painting project. They can paint rocks that you can grab from outside or any of the Dollar Tree painting kits. This here I also picked up. It's just a little Cars mailbox that he can put some Valentine's Day cards in. I just had him decorate the little mailbox the way he wanted to, and he was really excited about getting Valentine's Day cards. That same Cars kit also came with a few Valentine's Day cards that he could decorate. So I had him decorate them, and then he's going to mail them out to a couple of family and friends that he misses and loves. And then these little glitter hearts I purchased at the Dollar Tree. If you can't find them, just cut out hearts with regular construction paper, and you can either draw or use these little eyeballs just to make some heart faces. And these really bring a pop of color into our classroom that I'm using to decorate. And then of course the Sharpie would be better to draw a happy face, but all I had was a little crayon next to me, so that's what I used. And then also the Dollar Tree also has these little paint kits that are great and will also add more decor to your little area. I'm gonna have Leo stamp on this strip of white paper. Let's see, do you know what this says?
Hugs.
Hugs, very good.
You rock.
You rock. Now the two plastic pieces that I'm taking this window decal off of, I want you to keep that for another project. Now if you do have a small space or you don't want to stick anything on your walls, decorating your windows is another inexpensive and great way to decorate for Valentine's Day or any other holiday. Now while Leo was putting the letters on the window, he was putting some of the letters backwards. So this is a great opportunity just to review and to correct, let them know that they're doing a good job, but make sure that they do it correctly. And I let him know that Valentine's is one word. So I just had him fix it and he had a good time doing that. And I just wanted to show you guys a few things that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. These foam hearts, foam stickers, and felt cupcakes are just so cute and will make your crafting so much easier. Now with the two plastic pieces that came with the Valentine's Day window decal that I had mentioned to keep, all I'm doing is using some of the felt and foam stickers, and we are just sticking them on one side. And then I just use double-sided sticky tape and use that all around, and then put the other plastic piece on top, and then have him just press it down, and then we have a little placemat and he can put his little juices on it. And that's his little Valentine's Day placemat.
Love to bloom.
Mm-hmm.
Balloons love to float. Birds love to bathe. Rain loves to fall. And Pluto's like... and Mickey and Minnie are happy. But yep. Pluto is sad because he don't like the rain.
Oh, okay.
Dex loves to...
All right, and I hope a lot of these ideas and crafts were helpful and simple enough for you to do. Keep it fun, keep it simple, and again, just see this as an opportunity to bond with your child, talk about love, reassure them how much you love them. And I hope you all have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Thanks for watching. And if you like more of my videos and would like to know when I post, just remember to like and subscribe. Thanks. Happy Valentine's Day.